Hi guys, it's Madi from Madi25. Today we're unboxing the Lego Creator set. It's recommended for ages 7 to 12. It has 225 pieces. Okay, let's get unboxing the box. Let's see what it comes in. It comes with some Legos. It comes in some instructions right here. And it comes in other more Legos. Let's put the box to a side. Let's open the instructions. It comes with 3 different ones. So you can make 3 different types in one whole one. So first it comes with this one. Then it comes with a helicopter. Then it comes with a car. Let's go on to build one. First, I think I'm gonna build this one. I'm going to easiest to the hardest. Let's rip the package open for all the parts. Let's open the second package. Oh, it was about to fall. We're done unpackaging all the things. Let's get into the process of building it. Okay, let's do the first step. First step, we have to build the character. I found his legs, found his body. Put him together. Then we have his head. Then we have his hair. The first main character is done. Now let's get into building the other stuff. Wilderness campsite build. So first we have this dog right here. Then we have the campfire, so it could be cozy in here. Then we have a raft with a shovel with a blue flag. Then we have the wilderness base, campsite base. We'll have telescopes, some binoculars on the side, and water dripping down right here. This is it. The final product. Now we are building this rescuing helicopter. Let's get into building it. Guys, this is the rescuing helicopter that's supposed to carry this dog from the mountains to safety. You have to hook him up, then you fly this helicopter. Boom, the helicopter is flying and rescuing the dog to land. This is it, the creation. They're in 2 parts. You can put them together. You have to hook them up. Guys, we finished building the first one, the second one. Now we are on to the third one, the final one, the Jeep. this is a final creation. Just Jeep. It has a hook on top, on the bottom to carry something. This makes it loose like this, and this makes it go in. Then we have a person on the side. Then we have some gasoline on the back and some helium, and this trunk that opens and closes. On this side, we have a dog just sitting here. Then we have a pickaxe on top. At the beginning, I forgot to tell you guys there was a shovel in case we have to go out of somewhere. Oh no! The tree fell down. Let's lower the winch and let's go get the tree. What? Okay, now we got onto the hook. Now I'm gonna drive it to this place and just put it right here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Tell me what was your favorite one out of all three. I personally think the truck was the best. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Bye! I'm gonna go home with my truck.